This is a property tour, November 7th, 2025 of 421 South Huntington Street. Has a nice ramp. Property line goes all the way from this concrete all the way back past those dumpsters. And then on this side, it follows the concrete here all the way back. This front section is for lease. It's about a little under 1,300 square feet. Climate controlled. There is its own bathroom and shower. There is a full basement. So the front part of this, minus the basement, is available for lease. The whole property is available for sale. There's some storage cabinets here. You come back to this center section here is a storage room. This is a HVAC closet. Plenty of space here. Some nice warehouse space here. Another exit. The whole building is well over 5,000 square feet. Garage door and access in the back. So this is what 421 South Huntington Street in Syracuse, Indiana looks like on November 7th, 2025. If you have questions about the property, send me a message on YouTube and be happy to help. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.